Price TV. Subscribe now.
In case you're a man who utilizes a wide assortment of answers for channeling sound into the auto, the Tesla Model 3 won't enable you to scratch that tingle. Truth be told, it creates the impression that your choices are terribly constrained, despite the fact that that will change sooner rather than later, to some degree. The Drive, among different outlets, ran over a video walkthrough of the Tesla Model 3's infotainment framework. The most intriguing piece of the video came amid the segment that secured the sound framework. It just seemed to offer slacker radio combination and nothing further, no AM/FM radio, no telephone music over USB radio, nothing you'd expect in an auto beginning at $35,000. It ought to be noticed that a few of these frameworks can be found in vehicles as economical as the sub-$15,000 Kia Rio. It's a fascinating spot to center around minimizing expenses. At the point when requested remark, a Tesla representative demonstrated that the highlights of the Model 3 are recorded on Tesla's site. They are on the website, and that rundown incorporates FM, internet gushing sound and Bluetooth hands-free calling and media spilling. There is no say of satellite radio, nor does it specify playing sound from a telephone over USB, and it's very hazy what is implied by web spilling sound, other than slacker radio, which is at present introduced on the Model 3's infotainment framework. Maybe the automaker is alluding to tunes. While the rundown demonstrates them as standard highlights, the voices in the walkthrough video asserted that some of these highlights, as Bluetooth sound spilling, were not made accessible at dispatch and would be actuated through an over-the-air refresh at a later time. Tesla affirmed to Roadshow that any missing usefulness will be included a future refresh. Mystery exists all through the automobile business, however it's customarily left to dialogue of future items. Being straightforward and direct from the get-go, by conceding that specific highlights won't be accessible at dispatch, would have been the smoothest game plan. It's not the apocalypse if something isn't instantly accessible, given Tesla's dependence on finished-the-air refreshes. Hell, Tesla won't get around to building the minimum costly form of the Model 3 for quite a while, rather concentrating on variations costing around $44,000. Saying Bluetooth sound will come later is not really going to change the suppositions of stalwart reservation holders.